Hi everyone, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruby and I'm making chili garlic chicken today, Indian style. I like to make this dish when I want to eat something spicy, but I don't want to add too much masala. The only masala that we will add is turmeric powder. That's it. Everything else is fresh. But it's going to be a hot and fiery chicken recipe, and you will love making it as much as you will love eating it. So for this recipe, I have half a kilo of chicken, curry cut pieces, chicken breast and chicken thighs. So it's a nice combination of best pieces of chicken. So these are with bones, and I love using chicken with bones. I do not like chicken without bones. It keeps the chicken pieces juicy and tender, and they don't dry out easily. And obviously cooking chicken with bones adds a lot of flavor to the dish. So I love using it. Just use whatever cut you like. Boneless is fine if you love that. And now for the star ingredients, chilies and garlic. I have fresh red and green Thai chilies here. So about 20 Thai fresh chilies and 10 to 12 garlic cloves. I want it quick and easy. I don't want to do any prep. I don't want to do any chopping and cutting. So I'll be using my blender. So I'm not going to add any water to this because I'm after a nice chunky texture. So this is the texture we're after. Even if there's some chunky bits, that's perfectly fine. We have everything we need. Let's move on to the cooking. Okay, so I've set my pan on medium high. We'll need 4 tablespoons of oil. Any neutral cooking oil is fine. Adding half of the crushed green chili and garlic that we made before. We'll add in the chicken and we'll give it a good mix with the chili and garlic. We'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. So for the remaining chili and garlic paste, we'll add it towards the end so that we have nice freshness to it. We'll just only cook off the rawness of it. So now we'll cover and cook for 5 minutes. So my chicken is going to take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook because it's with bones. It's going to take a little more time. So that's why I've covered it, because the chicken is going to cook in its own juices, and it's going to absorb all that garlic and chili flavors. It's going to be really yum. So if you're going to use boneless pieces of chicken, it's going to even take you less time. So in this recipe, I will also be using fish sauce, very teeny tiny amount of it, and that will give this chicken that extra punch. And I'm telling you, it's going to take this chicken to another level. Try it if you like it, skip it if you don't. It's totally up to you. It's optional. Nevertheless, this chicken is going to blow your mind. It's been 5 minutes. 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. We'll add the rest of the chili and garlic. We don't want to burn this, so we'll cook on gentle low flame for 1 to 2 seconds. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce and around 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give this a good mix. A little bit of coriander leaves just to freshen it all up. Spicy chili garlic chicken is ready to serve. If you're craving for something hot, spicy, and quick, this is the recipe you need. My very spicy chili garlic chicken. So if you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.